Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, I will teach you how you can make your files as well as folders on your Google Drive public so that everyone you share that file or folder with may have access to it without asking for permission from you. So let's get started. In the first step, head over to Google Drive and log into your Google account, of course. And what you want to do next, guys, is head over to My Drive here to the left and select the file or alternately the folder you would like to share with the public. For example, I am going to share that video file here I'm storing in my Google Drive. So to do that, simply right click on it, select share from that drop down menu, click on share again. And after that, guys, all you need to do is simply switch from restricted here where it says access to anyone with the link. That will give you the opportunity to share the given file with anyone online, and anyone who gets in contact with that link, with that shareable link of yours, will be given free access to that file to download it, for example. So to do that, click on anyone with access here, and here to the right, make also sure that you assign roles to your audience, like for example, viewer, editor, or commenter, depending on what permissions you would like to give the public. And last but not least, click on copy this link here. Now you can spread the word online and share your link with anyone you like, be it on social media, via direct messaging services, or in online forums. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.